I am excited to share a unique recipe of a vegetable named Capparis, a naturally grown vegetable commonly found in dry lands across Asia and America. This incredible ingredient reduces cholesterol, regulating blood sugar, and alleviating arthritis symptoms, prevent cancer cell growth. For this dish we use dried Capparis flowers and immature seeds with dry meat. This is dry meat of Gilgit Baltistan. Usually dry the meat during winters. Once dry fully, it will be preserved for a year. Cut the dried meat into pieces. Soak them in hot water for 5 minutes to remove impurities. Soak dried Capparis in hot water for 5 minutes to remove impurities. Heat all in a pot and saute 1 onion until golden brown. Fry the dried meat for 5 to 6 minutes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add salt to taste. Add turmeric powder and red chili flakes. You can add more spices of your choice. You can add fresh tomatoes. I will use dry powder later. Mix well and add water to cook the meat until it's 90% tender. In a separate pot, boil water and add the soaked Capparis. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes, then drain the water. Reserve it for later use as it's rich in nutrients. Add the boiled Capparis to the meat mixture and cook for an additional 10 minutes. At this time, adding dried tomato powder. The link of the recipe of dried tomatoes is shared in comments section description box. Adding reserved water of boiled Capparis. Cook for 10 minutes. The delicious recipe is ready. If you want me to share such recipes, please let me know in comments. Serve hot with chapati or naan and enjoy. Thanks for watching.